we're going to do it. So my name's Kenny. I'm from Kenny Does Drywall. No, we're not doing does. Drywall with Kenny. Drywall with Kenny. Anyway, let's try and get down to it. We're going to do our first drywall finishing YouTube series. And the main goal here is for us to teach the DIYers at home the best, most efficient way with tips, tricks, and techniques that I've learned over the course of my career. I've been doing this for 30 plus years. And I think by this time I've found out what works and what doesn't work. So my job here is to teach you the simplistic ways to achieve a flat and smooth wall or ceiling in your home. Okay. Maybe you're a DIYer. Maybe you just bought your first home. Maybe you can't find somebody in your neighborhood that can do drywall finishing. I want to teach you the how and the why. The why is very important. We could show you how all day long, but once you know why, it makes more sense, right? The more you know, the more you learn, the more it makes sense. I know for me, when somebody explains something to me, I can say, oh, that makes sense. So that's going to be my job here. I've made a lot of mistakes. I've figured out what works for me. I still work on a job every single day. So I'm out there in the field. And I just also want to point out that I'm not here to say that any of the other videos that are out there are better, worse, show you more, show you less. I'm just here to show you what works for me and how I can make it simple for you to work in your own home, right? This is kind of the first time homeowner, the DIYer. Has never attempted to do any kind of taping, drywall finishing before. We want to show you simple tips, tricks, and techniques that you're not going to be scared. I don't want you to be scared. You know, you just bought your first house. You got a room in there. You want to finish it. You can't find somebody to do it. Maybe you spent all the money, you don't have the finances to do it. I want you to be confident enough to say, hey, I can do this and I can make this come out really, really well. It's not what a lot of people think it is. People make it think, oh, taping's an art. Taping's an art for people who have been doing it for 30 years, 20 years, 15 years. It becomes an art, and it sure does. And let's face it, if you're not good at it, at something after 15 years, you better pack it in, right? You better be like, hey, maybe this isn't for me. Maybe I got to try something else. But this is automatic for me. I've been doing it for 30 plus years. So I want to try and break it down into simple tips and tricks where you guys can see it and not be afraid of it and attempt it. And don't be scared to, hey, I can tape this. Ceilings are harder, of course. But as we move forward into the first coat, second coat, third coat, you're going to see different things are going to be harder for you than others. Maybe you can do the screws a little bit easier than the seams, and that's okay. But repetition. You do your first room, maybe it doesn't come out so good. You do your second room, it comes out better. You do your third room, and it comes out perfect. So that's what we're trying to achieve here. Don't be afraid. Don't be scared. Get in there, get dirty, have fun with it. Get excited about it, and you know what? It's satisfying when you put a coat of paint on it and you don't see anything. It's very, very satisfying. Again, the techniques that I'm going to show you guys. I put 3 coats on everything. Sometimes 4 on the cross butts. Okay, a lot of videos out there show you how to do the inside corners in 2 coats or different methods to do the inside corners, caps and inside corners. I put 3 coats on everything. Okay, so with that in mind, that's how I'm going to be showing you to move forward through the techniques that I have to do what I do. All right. Again, I'm not here to say any videos are better or worse. You should watch this, you should watch that. I'm here to tell you what works for me, what I've learned, the mistakes that I've made, and how I've brought that to your attention. That probably doesn't sound too good, but to show you the mistakes that I made and how to do it better and simplify things. If you ever have any questions, we're going to be available to answer questions. We're gonna give you our contact information. We're gonna give you our email address, so on and so forth. If you do have any questions, I'm gonna be more than happy to answer any questions that you have, because I know this is a lot of information to take in all at once, especially if you've never done it before. You're probably like, oh my God, how am I gonna do this? But you're gonna be able to do it. Follow what I'm saying. Pick up the techniques that I use. Hold your knife correctly, and you're gonna do very, very well.